Yeah, I'm Rizin Sibanda, aka Rizla. I'm known as Rizla. Uh, I'm managing Afro Platinum Media. Also, Afro Platinum Music is a branch of Afro Platinum Media. Afro Platinum Media is divided into film, events, and music. But what we focus on mostly is the Afro Platinum music part. We are based in South Africa, but also extended our operations. We've extended our operations to Zimbabwe, Namibia, and Malawi. So far, we're also going to be outreaching to Zambia. And here in Zimbabwe, that is where it seems like the ground is very fertile and things are happening. As you can see, we're in a relationship with Black Events on Ghetto Fabulous street talent stage. Yeah, so otherwise, we're really looking forward to working together and discovering and unearthing new talent. We know there's lots of talent that we are discovering here, but the problem that we're facing, I think the guys do not understand the music business side of things. How do I explode from the ghetto streets right up to the big grand arenas of, let's say, Harare Sports Center and stuff like that? So Afro Platinum Media is there to identify that talent and help it and guide along and build strong brands within the music industry. Brands that are not only going to resonate within the country or within Harare or within Bulawayo or within Zimbabwe, but brands that can spill over the borders going into South Africa and also going to the rest of the other countries, even internationally. Yes, with Ghetto Fabulous winners, whoever wins the show is going to get the grand prize of signing up with Afro Platinum Music and also working together with Ghetto Fabulous to develop their talent to greater altitudes. So here, that's with us artists that we're going to sign, we're going to be involved in helping them produce a single. As you know, these days, not at first, it either need to be an album, but what we focus on is a single, because what we're looking for will be a national anthem to pioneer them into greater heights. And then once they make that single, we will help them with production, studio time, and we help them with also the writing of the songs, and also will help them with supplying them with the beats or work that is also in our catalog. As you know, Afro Platinum Music has got a wide range of catalog with beat makers from South Africa and beat makers from Zimbabwe, yes, and other few countries who have got some good stuff. So now we're going to try to link that artist to those producers, and we're also going to give them opportunity to come down and feel that this music industry in from different avenues, like taking them to really established studios like On Point Entertainment Studios, like other studios in Cape Town, like other studios in PE, other studios in Durban, so that they can get to interact and get to experience this music from another angle. We also take them to other venues as well outside the country, and in order to help them and expose them to the different types of music businesses, so that they can be able to be motivated and actually help them to build their own brands and motivate them towards pushing their brands to another new and greater heights. The value of this prize, the initial value of this prize, to get everything out there, to get that single out and to get it plugged in, to get it, to do the publicity, to get the song out there, to get the artist out there, the grooming of the artist, taking them to studio, not music studios, the different types of studio, photographic studios, grooming them up, making sure they are covered with their wardrobes, and also doing different other ways of helping them, like the social media, running of the social media, and the online digital distribution, all that, and including launching the album and doing a press launch, and also doing a CD launch, listening sessions, all that. When we look at all that, plus traveling to meet other producers across the country, we can put the value of that whole thing, I think, roughly at about $80,000 to $100,000, of which I think it will increase once we get into other, because as you understand that once an artist, the first thing is to get the artist out there, and once we're going out there, there are a whole lot of other expenses involved. Yes, the world has changed now. Before, money was being made through physical sales. Now we can actually agree. I think the other guys that have been making money through physical sales, they are now also put their hands up to agree that this is also coming diminishing by the day. And now that is why we also have to embrace the new forms of media, which is like the online media, and through that Afro Platinum has got distribution deals, digital distribution deals that we're going to be doing for various sites. Like for example, there is TrackSource, which is a DJ shopping ground, where we supply the DJ tools. There's a certain way, of course, some of my say it's not a place where you just go and load maybe one single song, but we've got to later on bring in other producers to remix the song so that we can have different versions of it. Like for example, with TKP, we've got Ndoye and on TrackSource, we split that song into 5 versions. We bring different remixers, maybe to put in other 2 versions. We do pekapela versions, we do dub versions, then we also do instrumental versions. Because that is a site where most of the top DJs go to purchase music. And that means that they purchase, they use it for their sets, wherever they will be playing. And they also use it as DJ tools. So that is why we supply that. And then also the other opportunity exists, like of the full version of the song on iTunes as well, which we'll be getting into, I'm sure, by early next year. We'll be on iTunes, where we're just finalizing our contracts with iTunes. We also have the Mobi site as well, but at the present moment we're working with only MTN Play and Vodacom, where people can get the ringtones and caller tunes and all the other stuff. So it's a holistic avenue of making money. And also we also go further, because we now understand this business has changed. It's not about selling records anymore. It's about building brands, and we also have the corporate world coming in. Like currently TKP is with Edge Energy Drink, who are coming in to assist there, to work with them. And then later on we can actually push the artists to, if they hold their brand properly and they align their brand status to a level that the corporate world can be interested in, then we can make deals with them also for them to be endorsed. And so money can come also from endorsements. So that is how the modern music era is now. It's totally different than before. People can go to afroplatinummedia.com. That is the mother website of Afro Platinum Music. Or they can also Google Afro Platinum Music, then where they can get us on Instagram, and they can get us on Facebook, and they can get us on all other various forms where they can be able to get our profiles from. And through there the contacts are there. But if anybody is interested, has got stuff that they think is mind-boggling and is changing, they can go on they can send an email to music@afroplatinummedia.com. music@afroplatinummedia.com. Afro Platinum is MM and then M for media.com. And then if they want, they can just go on the website where they'll get all the details of where we are operating from and all the new acts that are coming into play and stuff like that. Ghetto Fabulous, you rock!